So this morning is a very special morning. We're going to Disney, as usual. But what's so different about today is we're meeting my cousin Joey there. Now Joey is someone I grew up with. Like literally grew up with. He was born July 5th. I was born July 7th. Same hospital, same floor. They were twins. So, they stayed in the hospital longer, to wait for me to get born, of course. So we've been close ever since. Now, he just adopted 2 boys, brothers, because he couldn't bear to split them up. And I finally get to meet them. I'm so freaking excited. It's their first time leaving New England at all. Their first time on an airplane. And obviously their first time at Disney. And as Disney experts, I feel extremely compelled to make sure that they have the best first time at Disney ever. I'm so excited. You guys excited? Yeah. I don't know who was more excited, me or you guys, honestly. When some other cousins came down from Glenn and Morella, when they came down from Tennessee, we went to Barbie Land. I was more excited than the kids.
Where is it that has Barney Land?
Oh, I have
Universal,
no
I think, or?
Yeah, that's Universal.
Barney, and I was all excited.
Who was?
Barney.
You were?
Yeah, no one else cared.
Get him in line. Oh yeah, I bought all the kids Barbie dolls, and they didn't really care. I was like, oh my god, but.
Wait, do they have to scan this?
What did you guys do?
What did I do to get in here?
Yeah.
I killed the king.
You killed the king? Is it worth it?
Yeah.
Okay. What about you? What did you do to get in here? You ready, Blake? Yeah. It is. Their first Disney ride. Aww.
I hope when they just slam it.
You ready?
I'm ready.
For the wildest ride in the West. So the ride flips upside down. Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Wait, this one flips upside down.
Yeah. And a big drop. Right?
Is it seatbelt? Was it really?
Yep.
Yeah, like a cage. Well, we're gonna go around this pass, and then a cage is gonna come down.
We're faster. We're going faster.
Bye, Felicia.
What's up?
I got wet. Snake charmer over here. You're their handler? We're going to space.
Why don't we have our moon suits on? I think we can lose oxygen. Oh my god. Oh my god. The turning and the going high and the turning.
So?
What's wrong?
He's right there looking for our photo.
What that face like? Oh.
Guys, like all the groups. There you are.
I was scared. Walking Dead. All the green stuff in the bars above you. We go on that again.
Did you?
We
Let's
can.
go. We go on
Wait,
again.
wait. Yeah, we gotta get another fast pass for it though.
Okay.
Well, Georgette, it appears you lose. Wait, what? I lose? Well, sure, Piggy. You see, in the American Revolution, England loses, which means the king, or the queen, loses.
Excuse me? Hillary?
It's his arm!
Come on. I like how you just go, and then.
I know. So we just discovered something new. What's it called?
This one's called The King's Ransom, but
What?
a pirate's adventure.
What are you doing?
A sword.
Get down from there. So we found something. It's like a treasure map. I didn't really read it, but I think you get something like a fast pass out of it when you get the treasure. So we gotta go to that place on the map
Yeah.
and like do something.
Yeah.
It's here.
What do you get doing this?
We're in Adventureland.
We get a prize.
What kind of prize?
I don't know.
Whatever ride that is, we gotta go there and we gotta unlock something and we do something. And it's part of the treasure map. I want a treehouse like this. Build it for me. But I want electricity and plumbing too. Okay?
Yeah.
Build it for me.
All right. Look. Wow, look at that. It's got a little bungalow.
Oh yeah.
After, we're gonna go on the Miners Trail, right?
Which one?
The Miners Trail?
The Seven Dwarfs Mine Train.
Yes, and then we're gonna go on the spacecraft again.
Space Mountain.
Nope, we're about to get soaked.
You're not gonna get that.
And that's when the batteries died. Thank you for watching. I really hope you enjoyed that. That was really special for me. I know this isn't something that we usually do on this channel. It was more of an adventure of Apple, but it was really special for me to get to experience that and get to be the ones to take them to Disney for the first time. You know, it's just really a great thing. You know, you don't see people adopting kids, especially brothers. Like people want their own, you know, so it's really big of my cousin to do that, and I swear he's a hero. And those are some really good kids and lucky kids because they get to be part of this big crazy Italian family that we're in, and they fit right in. It was just beautiful. As you can see, I think my favorite was their reaction after Space Mountain. I couldn't resist that. That was just great. And they loved Rob, and I swear it's like we hit it off right away. It was really sweet. And stuff like this needs to be celebrated a little bit more. But thank you again for watching. I really hope you enjoyed it. Don't forget to give the video a big thumbs up. Really helps us. Subscribe so you can see our next great adventure.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye now.